game. What you're looking at here is the culmination of about 6 weeks worth of hand building and hand crafting. As far as I'm concerned, the so-called reverse bear trap version 2.0 was just a bit too streamlined for my particular preference, as ironic as that may sound. This original piece was handcrafted and machined and put together out of a variety of pieces. As you can see, the hinge apparatus and the piping and the details here are very unique. They're much closer to the original version, my only concession being the dual timer system, both analog and digital. It's a very simple timer wired into the back there. This young woman is in fact a willing volunteer, although she doesn't look it. Again, this was entirely crafted by hand. Took many hours and a great much concentration, not to mention scrap metal. Very effective, and I'm very proud of this. It is my signature sort of pride and joy. It's a lovely piece of work. With the wealth of imitators on YouTube and Instructables for fun, I thought it was time I built another one. And here it is.